Hello everyone, this is MP again. So today we will continue from where we left off. So what we did, like in the last video, we automate a window application login page. So today I will show you how to automate the menu options and verify if the windows are open or not. So let's do that. So before going further, let's rerun our last automation test. So it's logging into the login page, and this is our home page. So we're gonna start from here. So let's open up a home page. So what we're gonna do, firstly we have to verify if this home page is existing or not. So after login you have to make sure if it's opened the home page or not. So what we're gonna do, we will see like what are the options available here. So we will see what is this. So when you click this is a client window. So I don't think this is a good property to verify if we are here on home page or not. So let's close this and find any uh, sorry. Alright, let's do that. So this is also a home page, title bar home page, but our first login page was also a having this property name. So this is also not a good property to verify. So let's find another one. So when I hover over this menu strip, it's giving me a menu strip option. So as you can see, this is a good property, and this is a good option to automate and verify like if this menu strip is existing or not. So let's do that. Verify home page. Okay, this is a menu bar. So the parent window is from home, and which we already have, and this is a menu strip. So let's make a object of this menu strip window. So let's copy one of our code. Menu strip window. Copy paste, and this window name is menu strip 1. Control name is menu strip. Copy values to the clipboard. Alright, so it's a control name, that's correct. Window, yeah. So this have a parent, my parent login window. Let's check it out if it's identifying or not. Menu strip window dot draw highlight. Alright, let's check it out. Look like it's not identifying it, so our test cases get failed. So guys, these are some real scenarios where we have to think like which is a good property to good property for the identification. So look like this is not a good property. Let's try without parent window. This is kind of trial and error. We need to figure out in which way it's worked. So right now I am able to identify that strip. So as you can see, it's draw a highlight. So now it will close. So look like now it is identifying. So based on this identification, we can say okay, our we are on the home page or not. So what condition we will put here? If menu strip window dot exists, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna test context dot write line, and here we will say home page successfully open. And what if it will not find? We can say in a else option home page successfully, home page is not open. So what type of error it is giving? Is not open. Look like it's okay. Or maybe we are my bad. Why didn't write first? Context. Alright, let's put it here like that. So what's wrong now? Dot write line we are missing here. Dot write line. Okay. So now let's see if this condition is working or not. Okay. So it should say, let's go to the output file, home page successfully open. So let's test a negative scenario, give a wrong password and see if it's gonna work or not. Oh, look like now it's gonna crash, but I think it's gonna give us a error before we get there. Okay, let's see what it will say now. Home page, what? Oh, why it's saying that? It is existing, it's not open. What it's saying? Successfully open. Oh, because I already opened a one window. Alright, so let's close this one, guys. That's my bad. Okay, let's run it again. In this case, I think it will be failed to do some operation. So basically it takes like 20-second time for timeout. Alright, so now we will figure out. So it's saying home page is not open, so it's working, guys. Last time it was my bad. Anyway, so let's do that. Admin, and we are on the. So now what we have to do, we have to verify if this product menu item is existing or not. So what I did, I hover my mouse on that menu item and I press Control I key. So this is a menu item and it is under a menu strip, as you can see here. So we can figure out menu item product. So let's automate that. Alright, so now we have to correct our password. And now what we're gonna do, we have to again copy paste, verify menu item product, win menu item. Menu item product and product item. So we have to give over here and yeah, here we have to change the name and we have to copy the values to clipboard, save it, and parent window, we can give this as a parent window. I hope it will work. So let's see if that's gonna work. Product menu item, oh, my bad, mouse dot click, let's see what it will do. Alright, so it is opening the product menu item. So similarly, do the same stuff for the other menu items. So guys, here I already wrote the code for the all other menu items, but the challenge is here now to, when our automation open the menu item, we need to close this to go to this item, otherwise it will give us a warning or error or whatever. This is how, I mean, it's a way this window application are written. So what we can do, we can click on this button. To click on this button, we need to find out like how to get there. So again I did Control I key, hover over here. So look like this, have a different window, and on that window we need to get on this client. So we need to figure out that code, or we can also use another alternate. So suppose that if we need to close this one, so we need to, every time we have to make this hierarchy, otherwise we have to change all the hierarchy and our code get bigger. So let me give you another alternate. So guys, there is another method to close any window. So by sending F4 and modifies alternate keys together, I mean by sending F4 and alternate keys together, you can close any activated window. When I said activated, so right now this window, this notepad window was not activated, right? If I click here, this is activated. So if I press F4 and alt, it will closed. So let's copy and paste this code here, and we have to paste it everywhere where it is opening the another windows. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna work. Let's test it. I hope it will work. Okay, it's closing and it's also clicking to the next menu items. So looks good guys. So our test case is going to be passed. So similarly, the way I did, I recognize or I identify any property on this window, you can also identify those property. Suppose that based on that you can say, okay, I found this name on that window and it means it is existing and open. So similarly you can also try to add these conditions. So guys, for saving time I will just do for one, and so from there you can just take an idea how we can do that. So let's identify this. So this have these properties. Now let's go to our code home page and let's copy a menu item. So before closing, we gonna do that after opening that menu item. So this is a window name manage, so change it to win window, then we can change it to win window. Okay, let's do that. Then we can manage product, manage product so this way you can give the name of this is manage window, manage product. Alright, so now here we will write our condition. If win manage product dot existing, then we can say our manage product is successfully opened. And if it's not, then we will say manage product is not open. Alright, so this way we can figure out. Let's run that and see if it's working. Alright, so our test cases get passed and it says manage product is not open. So it means it Maybe we opened so many windows, that's why. Let me let me make sure if we did any mistake or not. Admin login and then product. Where it is. So manage product. Oh, maybe we give a wrong reference here, that's why. So we need to remove this because we can't give a parent window because this is already a parent window and it does not have any other parent window. So maybe that's why it is failed. So let me close this and run it again. Alright, so this time it goes so quickly. I hope it's okay. So it is open now. So guys, this is how it's work. So let's do that for the another 3 menu items and see if it's that working. So guys, I already did that for all other categories. So let's run the test and see if those are working okay. Alright. Okay, it's something wrong, looks wrong here. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I opened too many tabs. Okay, so look like it is successfully open, manage customer successfully open, category successfully open, everything is successfully open. So guys, it's work like this. So what we did, we click on the menu items, all the menu items, closing it, clicking it, closing it, and then we are verifying from some of the properties. It's not like you can only verify this property and you can verify any other unique properties which is not on the other form. So this is how it's work. So in the next video what we gonna do, we gonna automate the other stuff on the first screen, and then you will have a more better idea how it's working. So, and yeah, one more thing. So the way I'm closing the window is not good. It is not a best practice to do, but to save our time I am just doing and closing with like this, sending this keywords. But it's always good to close from the close button, and to get there you need to follow the hierarchy relationship, and in that way it will be a very good practice. Otherwise, suppose that if this window is not opened, and then it will, by sending that keywords, it will close this window as well, so which is not a good practice. So remember, always do a good practice that will help you in your future, the way you automate. And I hope this video will help you a lot in doing your automation. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my video, and let's see you on the next video. Bye bye.